In the ring, you now have the weave doctor, weighing in at 130 pounds. Versus the bougie evil May.
Who exactly does that weave doctor think that she is? I'm the real doctor. I'm the one who went to the school of dermatology. She just sickens me, parading around here like she's saving the world. That's okay. I'm working on my next patient right now.
Wig doctor, your wig coming off.
Hello? It's the weave doctor.
Weave doctor, help. Dr.
Say
Bougie
what?
told me that my hair will never grow back.
They
That I'm
did what to your
sentenced
scalp?
to scalp injections. Help. Come
I'm
now.
on my way, girl.
Dr. Bougie, who do you think you are? I'm the real weave doctor around here. Ha ha! I had enough of you. Telling all these clients that their hair will never grow back, stealing the life out of their hair follicles, and then injecting them with chemicals. I'm gonna... I show no mercy.
You better not give no more of that
Weave
medication.
doctor, let me go.
Yeah, girl. You're
Let me
going
go.
down today. And I'm
I
going to
promise I
give you
won't do
a
it again.
piece of your
I
own
promise I won't
medicine.
do it again. Well, well, well. Look at you now, Dr. Bougie. I got you all tied up. How did you learn that the real weave doctor is here to save the day? Ha ha! No more chemicals.
No more chemicals.
The champ is
The
here.
undisputed weave doctor. Until next time, I'm going to be kicking some trichology butt. Call the 1-800-WEAVE Doctor hotline. If anybody ever tries to give you any of that stinking rotten medication, book your free hair loss consultation today. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for watching our video. We are licensed trichologists and holistic health practitioners. We are able to deal with your hair loss from the outside and the inside. In addition to that, we also create beautiful custom handmade units for all of our hair loss warriors. Please feel free to subscribe, click the link below, and to learn more about our products. Also, you can book your free consultation today. Thank you so much for your time and have a fabulous afternoon. Bye now.